Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rohan and you guys are watching Rohan's Creations. Before I start today's video, I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And I'm sure you guys ain't gonna regret it. So let's start with today's video. First of all, I am mixing both of them in equal proportions and एक round ball बनाने के बाद I am gonna use a talcum powder because it is very important because जो हमारी जो clay है ये बहुत ज़्यादा sticky हो जाती है. And now I am using a scale to give it a circle shape. After giving it a circle shape, हम use करने वाले हैं एक toothpick या कोई भी pointed सी चीज़ जिससे we gonna make hole on both the end जिससे हमारी राखी का जो thread है वो आसानी से चला जाए. And we have to wait to let it dry. हमारी clay अब अच्छे से dry हो चुकी है. Now it's time to color it. I am using acrylic colors and here I am making an evil eye rakhi. So the basic colors that I am using is the dark blue, white, sky blue and black. Don't forget to color the sides of the clay because वो भी visible होगी when you gonna wear that rakhi. You just have to wait to let it dry and don't forget to use varnish. Yes guys, it is very important to use varnish. Here I am using some decorating material. I have some Swarovski. If you don't have any Swarovski or stones, you can also use a golden glitter. And now I am applying this Fevicryl glue and one by one pasting all the Swarovskis around the corner. Just look at it, how beautiful it is looking. And now it's time to add the thread. I am using the same contrast में stones also and a beautiful rakhi is ready. चलिए अब हम अपनी दूसरी राखी बनाते हैं. I am using the same procedure. एक सर्कल बनाने के बाद I have made a heart of paper and उसको अब मैं इस क्ले पे ट्रेस कर दूंगा. ट्रेस करने के बाद I am using a cutter to cut the shape of a heart. That is okay अगर आपकी क्ले की शेप थोड़ी सी इधर उधर जा रही है बट आप उसको बाद में ठीक कर सकते हैं. We just have to wait to let it dry. हमारी क्ले ड्राई हो चुकी है. Now it's time to paint it. I am using a combination of red, pink and white. Layer by layer, first I am adding a red, then pink and then white, and then I'm gonna repeat it again, the red and the pink and the white. Now I am using a gold metallic paint to highlight the boundaries. You can also use a golden glitter. After it's all dried up, it's time to varnish it. And we have used the varnish and now it's time to add the thread. Toughest part I find here is making a knot. Yeah, but still I tried my best and this time not perfectly एक बारी में बन गई. And now our second rakhi is also ready. So happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. And I hope you guys liked this video, enjoyed this video, and do try these rakhis this time instead of buying ready-made rakhis.